Hi guys, how you all doing? Today we're going to talk about fresh tamarind, okay? Now you can buy tamarind sauce already mixed up, but you know, fresh tamarind is an awful lot better. Here in Thailand, obviously, we can actually buy the tamarind straight away as it's been taken off the trees and actually dried and scrunched up into a ball like this, okay? But in here, obviously, it's full of fibers, and occasionally you get the tamarind seed. Now what you need to do, you need to just put it in hot water. Now the hotter the water, the easier for the fibers to actually come away from there. Now you might be able to buy fresh tamarind in a block, okay? It's exactly the same procedure. Cut off the tamarind that you want to actually turn into a tamarind sauce and put it in hot water. Let it stand for anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes, go do something, come back, scrunch it all up in there, and you get your tamarind sauce. Now the only crux to this is you do not put too much water in with your tamarind, because if you do, you will end up with a runny tamarind sauce, which no problem, okay, it's runny. And then all we need to do then is actually cook it on the stove to kill any bacteria. Simple as that. So we're going to take our fresh tamarind and turn this into tamarind sauce that we can use for Thai cooking. So let's make our tamarind sauce. Okay, all we got to do is put our tamarind pulp in a bowl. And as you can see from this tamarind, it's very fibrous. Okay, but we do nothing but basically just put it in the bowl and add hot water, and that is it. Now don't forget, if you add too much water, you will make a runny paste, a runny sauce. Put enough water in. You can always add water whenever. If you think your paste is too thick, add water. Okay, but leave for about 20 minutes. The tamarind pulp will then become very nice and soft and pliable, easy to massage the flesh. So you can massage away and you will be able to feel the pulp flesh come away from the fibrous tissues of the fruit. Very easy procedure. Now if you want to wear gloves so you don't get tamarind pulp under your nails, that's up to you. Okay, but don't forget, if it's too thick, add a splash of water. Then what we need to do then is we need to strain this. Now I'm straining into a pan because it needs cooking. I don't see the point in straining into something and then putting from something into a pan to cook. So strain it through your strainer, push it through into your pan. Try and get as much through as possible. And then when you get down to the fibrous tissue that's left, give it a good squeeze. There's still more to come out of this pulp. And one important thing to remember, the back side of the sieve. The back side of the sieve is covered in tamarind pulp, which you need in your pan. So scrape it all into your pan, and if it's too thick, add water. And then what we need to do is put it on a fairly low to medium flame and just bring to the boil. Now keep stirring. We don't want this thing to burn or catch in the pan. And that's it basically. Just boil it up, it kill off the bacteria, and then we can cool it down. Just cool it down and bottle it up. And that is our tamarind paste finished. So now we've got a paste ready for using in our Thai cooking. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, showing you real Thai food, don't forget, like and subscribe, and you won't miss anything.